We are going to learn how to build a simple word dictionary using Python. There are few methods and few sequences for us to know how to build a simple word dictionary using Python. And one among the method is what we are going to learn today. The methods I have mentioned here are the sequences that we need to know while creating a word dictionary using Python. Let's have a look on it. Our first step is going to be we are going to create a simple Python dictionary that consists of few key value pairs that represents a word and its respective definition. Our second point or our second step is going to be we are going to collect the input from the user, and that input is certainly going to be the word. And the third step is that we need to check if the word given by the user is present in the dictionary or not. And final and the fourth step is simply going to be to print the definition of that desired word. Now let's type a small code to present this. Firstly, we need to define a function, and I would like to name it as the main function. Well, I've kept the colon. And now we are going to create a dictionary, for which I am going to give the name as word dictionary equals the list I'm going to create now. I have a bundle of words. Well, now we have got the list of words. Now we need to get the word from the user. This is what I want, for which I'm going to enter or get the word from the user, for which I'm going to type input enter a word and colon. Next, I want to give some conditions. If the word is in the word dictionary, then it should print the word, and I want a colon in between, and then word dictionary. So what does it mean? What have we done over here? So if the word I'm going to get from the user should be present in the word dictionary. That's what we have given over here as well. So the word that we are going to get from the user should be present in the word dictionary. Final step is going to be we are going to call the main function that we had earlier called. Let us gather up what is there from the first. So first we need to define the main function, and we need to create a couple of words inside a list, for which I've given the name as word dictionary, in which I have a couple of words and its meanings. And then I have given the condition before I wanted to get a word from the user. So this is what we have given, and finally we have called the main function. Let's run and see. Okay, now here we can see that enter a word. So which is what I wanted for, because I'm going to get the word from the user. So from this couple of words, I wanted to enter some random word. Let me enter, for example, accomplish. Okay, let me click the enter. Now we can see that I've got the word, colon, and then the meaning of the word, achieve or complete successfully. For example, if we enter the word jolly, we get the meaning is happy and cheerful. Now, for example, if I enter the word ultimately, I get the meaning as in the end. And now, finally, if I would like to enter the word as victory, I get the meaning as an act of defending an enemy or opponent in a battle. So this is how a simple word dictionary works while we code it using a Python. Thank you.